This review is of Blanxart 60% dark chocolate traditional recipe. This is from Spain. It's vegan, gluten-free, pure ingredients. The packaging has recycled material in it. And here are the ingredients. Sorry, it's a little bit difficult to read. And the nutrition facts. Alright, let's dig into this if I can get it open here. Boy, they really don't want you to open it, do they? You know, most companies, they just put a little bit of glue, but this, they put a lot of glue on the wrapper, which is okay. You know, there's nothing wrong with that. They don't want the wrapper to come off. They want it to get separated. So it's a plain, plain mold. Alright, here we go. Sweet. It's very nice chocolate, actually. It's got a little bit of an overtone of, I think it's fruit. Very nice flavor. Not complex, but enjoyable nonetheless. I think they did a good job. I think you'll like it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.